Here's how to assemble your Regency stainless steel drawers. As a general note, install the drawers before assembling the table. If you are mounting drawers to an existing table, you can easily remove the tabletop by using an Allen wrench to unscrew the legs from the tabletop's gussets and lifting it off. Set the tabletop upside down, then attach the Z-bracket to the top of the frame with screws. Make sure the top of the bracket goes outward and the bracket extends a bit further back than the rear of the frame. Flip the drawer over and align it where you want to mount it. Test this out with the drawer in the frame to make sure the door will clear the lip of the table. If it does not, you will need to shim with some nuts between the hat channel and the brackets. Next, drill holes in the hat channels and attach the drawer to the table with self-tapping sheet metal screws. Reattach the tabletop and place the pan inside the drawer. Your drawer is now ready for use.